The first day of spring on March 20th this year, known as the vernal equinox. It is quite often either March 20th or March 21st as indicated by the National Weather Service. The word of science vernal originates from the Latin word vernalis signifying of the spring. And equinox originates from the Latin word equis, which means equivalent, and nox, which means night. The day has 12 hours of sunshine and 12 hours of evening time. The Earth's pivotal tilt, called as obliquity. The Earth moves unsteadily on its axis, as the after effect of seismic tremors. Distinctive gravitational powers followed up on it by the Moon, the Sun, and alternate planets in our close planetary system. In this way, Earth's obliquity shifts a region about 22.1 degrees and 24.5 degrees. The day of the equinox passes, both of Earth's halves of the globe get an equivalent measure of daylight. Astronomical cycle and meteorological cycle. There are really two approaches to decide the first day of spring: the astronomical cycle and meteorological cycle. Many people utilize the astronomical cycle declared as March 20th, 2018 to be the primary day of spring. It depends on the March equinox. But the meteorological cycle assumes its first day of spring on regular climate and temperature conditions. The Earth's circle is always showing signs of change in connection to the Sun. While in the meantime the gravity of different planets impacts the Earth's area in space. Those physical progression combined with the way that each date book year dependently has an alternate number of days implies that the main day of spring shifts somewhat from year to year. Original time of equinox. The spring equinox in the southern hemisphere occurs at a correct inverse time. So it's really the fall equinox for individuals on the opposite side of the world. Similar way that winter and summer turned around for the two sides of the equator. However, the correct time the vernal equinox should happen this year is at 12:15 p.m. on Tuesday, March 20th, as indicated by the Farmer's Almanac. The Farmer's Almanac additionally said because of the uneven years, spring is decreased by around 1 moment a year. However, summer picks up that moment. Fortunately, winter additionally loses about a large portion of a moment a year, which is picked up by fall.